Hi, I wanted to talk about the BPAL Black Phoenix Alchemy Laboratory Halloweenies, or the Weenies as they are called, within the forums and do a quick unboxing and show you some of the things that I recently got. This year it came with a cute little BPAL pin, some stickers, a couple of them, and of course the postcard with a nice little ghost image on it. It also came with lots of free samples. I didn't order any small samples. I have smelled a couple of them and I do have a bottle of one of them, but that's okay because I'm running out and now I can make it last a little bit longer. I do own Miskatonic University and I have bought a couple of these samples before, but I'm glad to have them again. Let them age and appreciate samples that I probably wouldn't have bought on my own because some of the notes are so wild, but they actually work together well. The first full bottle that I have is a Melancholy of Goths. It's clove smoke, champaka incense, plum velvet, and hairspray. It is so 80s. I didn't grow up in the 80s, but understanding my idea of the 80s, this would be a club kid that's trying to be cool. It's not the vampire witch queen, but it is the very cool club kid. And the hairspray note is so creative. Next, we have Ghost Milk, which I know is something from an old Yule that they brought back. It is white chocolate, marshmallow goat's milk, and vanilla cashmere honey dust. Super good. Very relaxing. It reminds me of something I got as a Yule several years ago that I don't have anymore, and it will replace it as a comfort scent for sure. The last one I have is a BPAL that I've wanted for years, and I kept putting it off. Samhain. It says the scent of autumn itself, damp woods, fir needle, black patchouli, warm pumpkin, clove, nutmeg, allspice, red apple. It is perfectly fall. It's so nice. It reminds me of a few scents that I have. I didn't know if I would love this combination of scents. It is my favorite of my weenies that I got, and I can't believe I waited all these years to finally get it. But I'm really happy with the weenies. They just released the Bat collection after I place my order, so I will wait probably until the Yules drop to get one from the Bat Halloween collection. But if you've got any weenies this year or any recommendations or want more thoughts on these, please let me know. Thanks for watching.